Hi everyone, I'm back with another cleaning motivation video. It's actually the continuation from last week. I had a lot of footage, so I thought I would just make it into part 2. So this is the living room. As you can see, it's not that bad, but just a few things out of place. And my camera is very forgiving. If you could actually see this in person, you would see some dust bunnies starting to collect. So I needed to vacuum and mop, and my office just kind of let it get a little bit out of control. I kind of put stuff off to the side and when I should be putting it away. And it seems like the closet is always the catch-all, so I kind of just stuff things in there. I guess you can tell how much I use my treadmill. It kind of seems to be the place where I leave my laundry instead. But we hadn't made our bed yet, and my dog was relaxing on it. And don't forget to watch my last video. I'm giving away these Method cleaning products as a celebration for reaching 50 subscribers. So I'm pinning my hair back so we can get this cleaning started. So we have these couch covers to protect the sofas from the dogs and all their hair, but they like to take them off. They always seem to end out on the floor. And here's my lovely catch-all closet. And it's amazing how just a little bit of straightening up can make everything look so much better. Does anyone else have a never-ending stack of mail?
I gotta tell you something I could do. I could be running or I'm chasing you, but I won't. 'Cause I got better things to do. Rather spend my precious time chasing somebody who loves me too. If I got $1 for every time you slam the door, I would be the richest girl alive, live. If you hadn't run away every time I asked you stay, you would sleep right next to me tonight. No, you didn't want me, all you wanted was a game to play, and you couldn't handle that I had my ways. Around your mind tricks and your side chicks, I'm a winner, babe. No, you didn't win this, it's a part of the game. In the beginning I just didn't know that you're an enemy I held too close. Now I know, 'cause you did everything to prove me wrong. You were not the guy I thought. Now I'm beating you at your own. Yeah. If I got $1 for every time you slam the door, I would be the richest girl alive, live. No, you didn't want me, all you wanted was a game to play, and you couldn't handle that I had my ways. Around your mind tricks and your side chicks, I'm a winner, babe. No, you didn't win this, it's a part of the game. Yeah, I beat you at your game, and if you were me, you would do the same. Man, I really love to play, and now that I won, then it's safe to say, no, you didn't want me, all you wanted was a game to play, and you couldn't handle that I had my ways. Around your mind tricks and your side chicks, I'm a winner.
So now the clothes is all folded and I'm vacuuming, so that means I'm getting close to the end.
All you wanted was a game to play, and you couldn't handle that I had my ways. Around your mind tricks and your side chicks, I'm a winner, babe. No, you didn't win this, it's a part of the game.
I really do love the way the floors look when they're freshly mopped. And there you go, all done. Now we can enjoy the rest of our weekend.
I could be running around chasing you, but I won't, 'cause I got better things to do. Rather spend my precious time chasing somebody who loves me too. If I got $1 for every time you slam